Imagine flipping a switch and routing your voice to thousands of people around the globe instantaneously. That is the utility of a live broadcast. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to trigger that switch and launch your first live stream directly from your phone. We will approach this in two distinct stages. First, we will audit your account to verify it meets the mandatory platform eligibility rules. Then, we will execute the physical sequence of buttons required to broadcast. Auditing your account first solves the primary roadblock most creators run into. Opening the app, looking for the broadcast option, and finding the button simply isn't there. Successfully going live requires your account to be authorized by the platform before you attempt to navigate the interface. If you registered your account today, you cannot stream. The system automatically restricts brand new profiles from accessing the live infrastructure. To access the feature, you must meet a strict age gate. You have to be at least 18 years old to initiate a broadcast. There is a secondary age check tied to the platform's digital economy. To send or receive digital gifts during a stream, you must also be 18, or 19 if you are streaming from South Korea. This animated chart illustrates the next major hurdle, audience size. You must accumulate exactly 1,000 followers before the platform opens access to a live audience. While 1,000 followers is the baseline rule, this number can fluctuate depending on your specific geographical region. Even with the right age and audience size, your access remains contingent on strictly following the platform's community guidelines and terms of service. These metrics act as automated filters to verify a creator has a reliable track record before they are handed a real-time microphone. Now that we have mapped out the requirements, grab your phone. It is time to check your actual interface. Take a look at this comparison. On the left, an unqualified account shows only standard recording options on the bottom slider. On the right, an eligible account prominently displays the text option for live. If your screen looks like the example on the left, your account is currently missing either the age requirement or the required follower count. Locating that text option on your screen is definitive proof the platform has vetted your account and granted you broadcasting privileges. Step 1. Open the TikTok mobile app and verify you are logged into the profile that meets the criteria we just covered. Next, bring your visual focus down to the persistent navigation bar anchored at the very bottom of your screen. As shown in this layout, you will find a central plus icon. Tap that button to open the main creation suite. Look just above the main circular record button. You will see a sliding text menu that you can drag left or right. Swipe through this menu until you select the live option and it locks into the center position. That action changes your environment. You are no longer setting up a recorded video. You are now standing directly inside the live broadcast lobby. Stop right here. Do not press the main broadcast button yet. Look at the empty text field positioned directly above that red button. If you leave this blank or use a default phrase, viewers scrolling their feeds have no context for your stream, causing them to immediately swipe away. Instead, type in a clear, specific topic. Setting a title like Live Q&A, Ask Me Anything About Video Editing, establishes an immediate expectation for anyone who drops in. A specific title provides the context needed to capture a scroller's attention and convert them into an active, retained viewer. Before proceeding, do a physical check. Make sure your lighting is set, your audio is clear, and you are ready to speak. Now, press that large red Go Live button at the bottom of your screen. Be prepared. The app will initiate a rapid 3-second countdown. You cannot pause or cancel this sequence once it begins. The second that timer hits 0, your camera and microphone are engaged, and your feed is actively pushing out to the network. Your screen will update with live telemetry data. At the top, you will see your active viewer count, and at the bottom, your real-time comment feed will populate. Start speaking immediately. Welcome people as they join, acknowledge their comments, and enforce the community guidelines to keep your room safe. When you are finished, tap the power or X icon to safely terminate the stream and close the room. Mastering this sequence of actions shifts your role from a passive content consumer to an active, real-time community leader.